I have found one of the best DIY Christmas presents you can make with resin. That's right. So with these beauties, look at these molds. Aren't these just the cutest molds you ever did see? You can use them either for earrings or you can make ornaments out of them. Oh my gosh, I love these molds. And because they are semi-transparent, like they're not like the pink molds or the blue molds, they're like kind of like that see-through molds, you can use either UV or epoxy resin for these guys. Now, I was so bummed since we were moving, I couldn't really make the video I wanted. So this is a clip from last year making a stocking with the mold. Check this out. Isn't it so cute? Like, I love it. I love that these guys can be earrings. Like, any of these molds can be earrings or ornaments. And so I just want to encourage you, like, if you're looking for that holiday gift that you want to make because you don't have a lot of money or you just want to make it personal, I feel like these molds are one of the best things you can use. And again, for epoxy or UV resin, you guys ask me all the time, is it for UV? Is it for epoxy? Can you do both? And this, my friend, you can do both. So I just want to encourage you, like, don't worry about your wallet this year. Get some of your UV resin that you use or epoxy resin you use and make some gorgeous earrings or ornaments.